Well, hello everybody and welcome to another devlog. So quick update on what I've been doing. So I've continued to grind my way toward a better combat experience. So yeah, it is taking some time and it's really it requires a lot of really small steps, but we'll get there eventually. So first thing I've added is really a gimbal system. I think that was really needed for a small weapon. So the idea is that the brick-based weapon, so typically a weapon of this size, so they will be stackable, but so weapon of this size will have built-in gimbal, so it will be extremely easy to put them on ship and then use them. So you will have a lot of precision, so to fire at exactly the right place you want. And bigger weapons, so block-based weapon, won't have that gimbal. So you, in order to shoot them with precision, you will have to put them on turret typically, and they will take more time typically to align to a target depending on the mass of your weapon system basically. So that's the idea. Another thing I've added, as you can see, is that really damage indicator. So I'm not sure whether if I will keep it into the final game, so I stay like that for now, because it will help me to really fine-tune all the different value for damage and hit damage and so on. But maybe I will put just simply an option to hide them or not, depending on the player preference. So really that's one nice addition. And also you can see all the debris floating into the space to really give more visual feedback on when you hit a brick and a block and things like that. There is also a hit marker on the cursor. So yeah, really a bunch of small improvements like that. Also what I've added is the ability to really deactivate system when you break a single block. So that was a bit the idea I explained back when I work on system. So typically this ship has two engine stack, and the idea is that when a single block is destroyed, the whole stack is non-functional. So it might be a bit too extreme, so we'll see how it holds in real combat situation, if it's too easy to deactivate system or not. But yeah, the idea is that to push player to create maybe several redundant system, so that your ship does not go offline too easily. And there is also a small indicator on the tracking camera, so you can see that right now there is only 50% of the engine operational. So yeah, that's the idea. And obviously the less engine you have, the slower it goes. So right now, so the AI will be much slower with just a single engine. So that's the idea. Still a lot of things to do. Really thank you everybody for your contribution on the forum. So I have a lot of idea for cool add-on and so on. So obviously there is several philosophy, and typically I won't go into the too complicated one. A lot of people have talked about From the Depth, and I think it's great for some people, but I want to try to do something really easy for the newcomer, but where you can have more depth into the design of the weapon via an add-on system. So that's really the goal. And as you can see, you can try to shoot at the nice shuttle. So yeah, really with the leading indicator, that is quite convenient. So yeah, thank you everybody, and also just a lot of things will change, so it's a bit of a warning, and also what I will work in the coming months. But really basically with as I will start to put some weapon and so on, a lot of things will change on the way the system work, the value and so on. So there might be some big refactoring. We'll see really how it goes, but yeah, there will be definitely a lot of fine-tuning. I will have a look at your ship and see how we can make everything work. for the best. So that's it, guys. Next update is gonna be the link tool. I want to do something a bit different. So I've been working for too long on the weapon and combat system, but yeah. So link tool. This is gonna be an exciting update. So see you on the next one.